2008, a team from our university, the Northwest University from South Africa, visited the ITC as part of a broad project to try and learn about international trade as well as trade promotion. So we visited the ITC to try and find out what they are doing in countries with regards to trade promotion, and we got exposed to the ITC market analysis methodologies and what they were doing at the time. When we got back to South Africa, Professor Belma Bibi was informed about a workshop that was going to take place in Durban, and there was an invitation for us to attend this workshop. At the time I was a master's student and I was looking for a methodology for my studies, so I attended this workshop in Durban 2008 that was conducted by the ITC market analysis team. Also in 2010, the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries in South Africa consulted the ITC to teach them market analysis. The Department of Agriculture was interested in identifying market potential in products, as well as identifying export markets where exporters could send those products. So basically what the ITC was offering is what what the Department of Agriculture needed. Also their staff deal with a lot of people that are in the industry, actual producers and exporters who need information about how to prioritize their export markets for their products. So they also needed skills on report writing to write up reports and methodologies to hand out to these industry people so that they can appropriately use it in the industry. The initial workshop was to illustrate the use of the market analysis tools that are provided by the International Trade Center, namely trade map, market analysis, how to extract data from those databases, and also how to interpret data that is derived from those databases. Thereafter, we learned about the market attractiveness indices, which are composite indices that were developed by the ITC to identify potential export markets for products, and also the market profile methodology, whereby you compile a market report for a particular product to a particular export market, and you provide information to potential exporters and other stakeholders about the target market requirements and those target markets, production patterns, any other information that is deemed helpful to help exporters to successfully penetrate those export markets. I went back to the university as a teaching assistant and trained fellow members of staff on how to use the ITC tools to extract data and what the data means after they extracted it, and also on the methodology of market attractiveness. Also, in addition, I've been teaching I taught students how to also use the ITC tools and also the market attractiveness index methodology. Each year, an honors class in the export development class was about 39 or 40 students. Then thereafter, we'll take on 6 students to supervise in a mini dissertation where they applied the market analysis methodology and the market profile methodology as the empirical analysis in their mini dissertation as well. We have trained at least 100 people in the market analysis methodology, as well as the use of the ITC tools since 2009.